Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of science experiments and take a look at some of the weirdest and most unusual experiments ever conducted. But before we get started, I want to encourage you to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our latest videos. Let's kick things off with a truly bizarre experiment. Once upon a time, there was a scientist who decided to conduct a study on the effects of spicy foods on the human brain. He had a group of volunteers eat some of the spiciest peppers in the world and then monitored their brain activity using an MRI machine. What he discovered was truly shocking. When the volunteers ate the spicy peppers, their brains lit up like fireworks. It turns out that the capsaicin in the peppers triggers a release of endorphins, which creates a euphoric sensation in the brain. Who knew that eating spicy foods could be so exciting for your brain? Now, that's just one example of the weird and wonderful experiments that have been conducted in the name of science. From bizarre studies on the effects of hallucinogens to investigations into the mysteries of the human body, scientists have pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible. One particularly strange experiment was conducted by a psychologist who wanted to study the effects of sensory deprivation on the human mind. He built a completely dark, soundproof chamber and asked volunteers to spend as much time as possible inside it. After just a few hours, the volunteers started to hallucinate and experience bizarre sensory experiences. Some reported feeling like they were floating in space, while others heard strange noises that didn't exist. It just goes to show how important our senses are to our perception of the world around us. So, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we explore some of the strangest experiments ever conducted. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.